Hey, it's Walter here, and I just want to talk about some of the charts since we have some really nice looking. Um, we have some really. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but I think somebody's drilling a hole in the wall next door. Let's see. All right, so we've got a Singapore dollar kangaroo tail right here. Now I'm looking at this one because the market has respected this level several times in the past. Look at this line chart. We have a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, couple of bounces over here. Even on the way down, look at this little jig back to touch it on the way back down. So it's a good zone, and this candle came really close to that, to touching that level. So I'd like to see this pair trade lower during the European session. It's the Asian session now. The day's just started. So keep an eye on that one. The other one is the pound here. It's a bullish big shadow. So the market's been moving up really rather strongly. Came to this stage where it sort of just made a little bit of a rest, and now boom, we get this big bounce up off of this zone here. This is the 156.50 level. We have a return from that level there, a couple there. It looks a little bit choppy here on the candles, but look at the lines. The lines are actually a little bit better here. We've got touch there, another jig on the way down, a touch, a touch, a touch. So it's a good place to look for support, and it looks like that's what we have here. I think this could go to 59, and then it could go to 1.6010 or so. So 59 up here is the first area, maybe a little bit shy of 59, like 58.90 or something. And then we're looking at 1.60, 1.6010 up here, and even 1.6080 possibly. Now there are several other trades today, but let's just look at one of them. This is the case of the Swiss yen. And if you look at this one, this is right up against the 86 level. It's at 85.95 on my chart, but 86 we'll call it, a round number. You can see that in the past we've had some touches. Let me just move it up to 86. Right about there. Yeah. You can see we've had some jigs, some touches here in the past, and it looks like what we have, it's a bullish big shadow situation. We've got some consolidation to the left, so the market's been sort of resting, but now with this big candle right here, it looks like the market wants to explode upward and run to 87. And then possibly after 87, the lows of these candles over here would be another hurdle the market would have to overcome, and that would be, let's see, that would be, I need to have my, there it is, my line. It's going to be right around 87.50, 87.60. So the first target would be 87, then 87.60, and then I'm looking at 88.80. And that, again, it's a clue because the market has completely engulfed this candle here right up against resistance. It's not a reversal trade, it's actually a breakout trade. So that's another one. There are many yen pairs that are showing a similar situation like that today. So just wanted to point that one out as an example. I hope you have a wonderful trading week. I know we've only got really one more trading day, but we'll keep an eye on these trades as they unfold over the next week or so. Oh, and just one last thing. I'll be watching these trades to enter these trades, but again, I don't like my trades to be triggered during the Asian session, so I'll definitely wait toward the end of the Asian session before I put them in my platform to see if they trigger. Okay, see ya. Bye.